using the application called as, I'll be demonstrating how to get the machine work as per the instructions given by us. So I'm clicking at the login option. We can always select for the account. Otherwise, right now I'm just using the try it now option. First and foremost, we are supposed to add a new project. So let us have a project like Cortec fan. This fan is not favorites fan, it's an actual fan. So we have an option like number, sound, images, and text. In this first video, I am demonstrating the use of text. The language, but always will be taking English. Otherwise, the options available to us are that of Arabic, Chinese, and others. Let's click at the create button. Based on the internet speed, the software and all will be ready. Now let us look for the project working. Now this screen is showing me that we have three modes now. First and foremost, we should train our model. Means giving the instructions. Then let us see this. When we'll go for the training model, we need to add labels. I'm clicking at the plus button. So let us have fan on as label 1, fan off as label 2. So how many things we actually see at the time when we have to turn the fan on or off? We have to give minimum 5 instances here. Say, I'm just writing in little letters. Turn on fan. I might say switch on fan. I might say start fan. I might say feeling hot. I might say button on a fan. Looks like an incomplete sentence, but let us see whether machine understands these things or no. 5 here also. Turn off fan. I might have switch off fan. It should not be the one which will going to create a confusion. Feeling cold. Stop fan. Don't let machine get confused with any of the things. If you are going to do something wrong, machine will going to get confused. And like humans, in case if we get confused, we get stuck off, even machine will going to get stuck off. So we might have something like turn the fan off. The one which is somewhat similar to it. So we have two categories available to us, fan on and fan off. These two are the labels along with the messages to be given. So let me go back. Let's learn this. Learn and test. As I told you earlier, that machine will going to take time as per the messages given, as per the internet speed. So we have 5 examples for fan on class and 5 examples for fan off class. Let us check. Train the new machine learning model. Now, as per the instructions given by me, the machine is getting trained. It took less than a minute. Which kind of model? This is a beta model. Now, this is what the machine is trained. We can go back. And if we feel like to test the samples given, so I can test it from here, like turn off fan. Let me see whether it is correct or no. Please wait. It is 100% confident. Turn off air. Air was not used by me. So it is 34% confident. turn on. So as per the model trained by me, turn on is 26%. Fan on. It is working on the class. Fan on. Turn. Let me do some spelling mistake. Turn on fan, and the spelling is wrong. When the spelling is wrong, it will try to look for other two words, and in case if the accurate matching is found, the control goes to that particular place. So let me go back now. Moving to the projects. The project what I have created is available. Now as you all can see, whatever classes created by me are visible at this place. So let me go back to the projects, and now when the project word is ready, we'll be clicking at the make project. Now if you remember, then it was a third window. This is now my make area, the button. Let us work on this area now. When I click at make, so there are options available to us. We have Scratch, Scratch 3, Python, App Inventor. So let's go for Scratch 3. You all must have used Scratch somewhere or the other in a day-to-day life. So now I am opening Scratch 3, but this Scratch, what you will see on the screen, will be a bit different. Now as you are seeing here that there's one new option available, that is project template. So now I'll be working on project template, so that the project whatever I've created like fan and all should be available. Now if I scroll down a bit, so you can always see that the name of the project was Cortex. So it is here at this place. So now I'm going to work on these category of models. I have to work on the model called as the classroom. So let me have that one first. Now as you can see, there's an option of project template here. So when I'll click at this project template, then we'll be having various options available to us. I'll be selecting the option labeled as smart class. This smart class one consists of a fan, and we need to do a bit of the Scratch coding in it. Right now I'll be working on one Scratch model. I need to work on the event. So I'm selecting an event like when the green flag is clicked, my control can be something like forever. I need to ask. So we need to go for sensing option. I'll be asking like command please. My command will be something like turn on fan, turn off fan, or whatever. Now I'll be working on the condition. If since this thing is there, then do this. Means I have to work on something called as if. My if after the ask block. Let me go for my own project Cortex fan. Now in Cortex fan, I need to work upon something called as the condition being given by me. So what I'll be doing is from here I'll be using the equal to sign. Let me bring it to this if part. So if, now which condition? I wish to have something called as recognizing text. Let me go here. So I have to recognize the text, and we have recognizing label. So since I have given the labels over there, so let me have a recognizing label option. So I am just putting recognizing label at this place. What I am going to recognize, I'll be working on something called as the answer. I need an answer. So answer will going to do what? Answer will going to check for something available with the option given by me. Let me move to that particular part. So at this place, if my label is for something called as fan on. Fan on is what? What I have trained it for. Fan on is what? What I have trained it for. So if my recognizing option, I need to place it here, where answer is equal to fan on. If my recognizing option with an answer is equal to fan on. So if the fan is on, what it should do? I need to broadcast the message. Broadcast means it should work as the way in which it is mentioned, means it should say work on all the commands given by me. So let me have this broadcast one. So broadcast will come here. I need to turn the fan on. So let me have fan on, turn fan on. You can see messages like turn fan on. So pre-find one. If I need to give any message, that also I can give. I may have something like the say button, which might say the fan is on. Let me add it up here. The message like the fan is on. If I want, I can have one more event with describing something like the fan is off. So let me play, because at this place my event says that I am supposed to work with at the green flag clicked. Let me click the green flag and let me have turn fan on. Let's see. The fan is on along with the message. So you'll be seeing more work on the same in the next upcoming video. Thank you for watching. You may subscribe the channel for further updates.